In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PS5 controller. Now, as you can tell, my PS5 controller is turned on. It's just to show you how this reset works. Now, what you're going to want to do to reset this is flip it over, and on the back, there is this tiny hole. Now, get a toothpick, a paperclip, or I'm going to use a little tack here. Probably not the smartest. But then you're going to want to press and hold down the button inside of that hole for a few seconds until you see the controller has now reset. So it turned off the controller and it completely factory reset it. So the issue you might have now that you've reset the controller, is connecting it. So as you can see, when I push the button, it may not connect automatically. So in order to connect it back to your console, you're going to need to either connect it via Bluetooth, which would be by pressing the PlayStation button and the create button for a few seconds until the controller starts blinking. And as you can see, it's ready to be paired, and then you can connect it to your console via Bluetooth or whatever device you're using. And then the other method is to just plug it directly into the console and then press the PS button, and then it connects again. So that is how you reset your PS5 controller.